Hey there everyone, welcome back to my channel, English from Scratch. Do you want to sound more fluent and more confident in English? Then you need to level up your vocabulary, not just with nouns or adjectives, but with also strong, advanced verbs. In this video, we'll explore 10 powerful verbs that native speakers often use in professional conversations, writing, and even academic settings. Let's dive in. Emphasize. This verb means to give special importance or attention to something. Its synonym is highlight, stress. You'll often hear this in formal contexts like meetings, presentations, or essays. When someone emphasizes something, they want to make sure you notice it or understand how crucial it is. For example, the teacher emphasized the importance of reviewing before the exam. Example number 2. During the meeting, she emphasized the need for better teamwork. Undermine. This verb means to gradually weaken someone's position, authority, or effectiveness. The synonym is weaken or sabotage. This is used when someone causes harm in a hidden or indirect way, especially in professional or personal relationships. For example, negative gossip can seriously undermine a person's reputation. Example number 2. His actions were meant to undermine the new manager's confidence. Facilitate. This verb means to make a process or task easier or more efficient. Its synonym is make easier or enable. You'll hear this a lot in business, education, or project settings. If something facilitates a task, it helps it move forward more smoothly. For example, this app facilitates communication between remote teams. Example number 2. Good lighting facilitates better reading and concentration. Devise. This verb means to invent or create a plan, method, or solution. Its synonym is to invent or formulate. It's often used in problem-solving or creative situations where someone is coming up with a new idea. For example, the engineers devised a new system to save energy. Example number 2. We need to devise a plan to reduce our expenses. Refrain. This verb means to stop yourself from doing something, especially something tempting. Its synonym is hold back or avoid. It's used formally to express self-control or politeness, especially in rules, signs, or formal speech. For example, please refrain from eating in the classroom. Example number 2. He refrained from making any comments during the discussion. Acknowledge. This verb means to admit or accept that something is true or exists. Its synonym is admit or recognize. It is common in both formal and informal English when recognizing facts, mistakes, or contributions. For example, she acknowledged her mistake and apologized. Example number 2. He acknowledged the support of his family in his speech. Foster. This verb means to encourage the development or growth of something. The synonym is encourage or promote. It's often used when talking about building relationships, development, or growth in personal and professional settings. For example, the company fosters innovation by supporting creative projects. Example 2. Teachers should foster a love of learning in their students. To address. This verb means to deal with or talk about an issue or a problem. Its synonym is tackle, handle. It is used in formal settings to show responsibility for handling a situation or responding to concerns. For example, the government must address the issue of climate change. Example number 2. We should address these complaints before they escalate. Assert. This verb means to state something confidently and firmly. Its synonym is declare or state firmly. It is used when someone expresses an opinion or right strongly, especially in serious or legal situations. For example, She asserted her opinion despite opposition. Example number 2. The lawyer asserted his client's innocence. Exceed. This verb means to go beyond a set limit or expectation. Its synonym is surpass, go beyond. It is frequently used in business, performance evaluations, or anything involving numbers and targets. Example 1. Sales exceeded expectations this quarter. Example number 2. He exceeded the speed limit and was fined. Let's review them together. Emphasize, undermine, facilitate, devise, refrain, acknowledge, foster, to address, assert, exceed. Now it's story time. All the verbs will be used in this story to help you remember them. The project that changed everything. At Bright Tech Solutions, a company known for innovation, the team was working on a new app to facilitate communication between healthcare professionals. During the initial meeting, Sarah, the team leader, emphasized the importance of meeting the deadline, but also maintaining high quality. She made it clear that success depended on every member pulling their weight. However, tension began to rise when one team member, Mark, constantly criticized others behind their backs. His behavior slowly started to undermine the group's morale. Sarah noticed the shift in energy and decided to act before things got worse. She called a meeting, not to point fingers, but to address the growing conflict. Calmly and clearly, she asserted that teamwork and respect were non-negotiable in this project. Without naming names, she encouraged everyone to reflect on how their behavior affected others. To boost motivation, Sarah acknowledged the efforts of those who had stayed late to help solve technical bugs. Her appreciation helped foster a more supportive atmosphere. Realizing that the current approach wasn't working, the team came together to devise a new workflow that divided tasks more evenly. Even Mark started to change his attitude, and though it wasn't easy, he made an effort to refrain from negativity. By the time the app was launched, it had not only met, but exceeded all performance expectations. Clients loved its simple interface, and hospitals began using it across departments. In the end, the project didn't just produce a successful app, it transformed the way the team worked together. These 10 advanced verbs can help you sound more professional, fluent, and confident in English. Try to use at least 3 of them in your next conversation, email, or presentation, and you'll feel the difference. Which verb was new for you? Let me know in the comments. I want you to choose 3 of them and form examples in the comments too. Forming examples will help you memorize them well. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and share it with your fellow English learners. See you next time.